Ah, yes, tomato paste. You just use a couple of tablespoons, you throw the rest in the fridge just to throw it away a couple of weeks later when you don't use it. Well, I'm going to show you a much better way to use this shit. That's right, my friends. You just got to open this thing up. Then this is a cool tip in itself. You just take the little Ziploc here and you put it in a cup for a nice little sturdy base. Yeah, that's right, baby. Then we're going to take all of this tomato paste, put it in there, and just kind of seal this bag up a little bit and flatten it out and get it all nice and level. Yeah, buddy. Smooth it all down. That's what I'm talking about. Then I'm taking the back of a knife here to do this. Be very careful because the blade side will be up. And you just need to portion them out into these little sections and then pop that little fucker right into the freezer. And just like a cooking show, I happen to already have one ready. And this is nice and frozen into its own little quadrants here. And you just break it up like this. And then you've got these nice little, if I can open this fucking bag, why do they make these Ziplocs like this? Jesus, I can't, it's fucking childproofed. And then you get this little section here that you can just throw into whatever it is you're doing, and then you can put the rest right back into the freezer and just keep using it as you go, my friends. You're welcome. That's right, baby.